Hey everybody, welcome to All American Adventures. I'm Will, and my dad and I, we travel around. I have a thermal drone and some other camera equipment, and we video the things that we're doing. Today we're in Ozark, Alabama, looking for a deer. Please like and subscribe. We hope you enjoy. He said, I'm friends with Brannon, and my dad shot a deer this morning with buckshot, and we got blood, and we need your help.
So the Brannon connection again, eh?
Yeah, you know, it's in Ozark, so you got to worry about flight and airports and runways and things. And so he gave me the address, and I looked at my flight maps and everything, and it looks like we're right on the edge, boy. But we have a good clear area where we're going to be looking.
What are we on the edge of?
We're on the edge both of the reservation itself and on the edge of a no-fly zone restricted area because of the helicopter training area. One of the big things in Dale County that is very restrictive of us is we have so much of that flight training going on constantly that they have made a lot of that area restricted. And you know, and absolutely, we got novice pilots flying around. You know, let's not have other novice pilots flying around, or even pros. You can fly in some of those areas with proper authorization.
Well, what they've done here.
That is the wildest thing.
Well, it's because the trees were too high. They're extending this runway.
Wow.
And I hope they cut them off so that when they sprout out, that they'll still be within the height restriction. But basically, and I don't know where it's the end of the runway or the end of the overrun, but it's from whatever point that is, it's a foot out and a foot up. The H-19s would line up and fly from Rucker to Napier Field every day, and then they would fly training patterns all morning, and then line up and at lunch and go back to Fort Rucker, and then right after lunch you'd have a new crowd coming to work. I don't know how many times I got yelled at by my dad in the morning when I was doing chores. He'd say, with a bunch of profanity that he used, eliminated, quit looking at those helicopters. You won't ever have anything to do with a helicopter. Get those pigs watered.
You won't never have nothing to do with a helicopter.
You won't ever have anything to do with a helicopter. You don't even need to be looking up there.
He just didn't even know. He was probably telling you exactly what you were going to do, because you said, damn it, Dad, I'll show you. I'll show you. So do you remember them building the railroad?
No. The railroad was built in 1907 or something like that.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, that's where Midland City got its name. The railroad was the Midland Railroad. Some memories right there, eh?
Oh yeah, that you know, it's really weird to see the TV antenna still sticking in the air, you know, and thinking when we, you know, he had this motorized turner of the antenna, and that was the first remote control that I ever saw, was, you know, Papa's remote control. You can walk back there?
Let me show you where.
Okay, let's do that. All right. So, but he's going to be out in this way somewhere. Okay. All right. I love it. I love it. I love it. See the blood right there, Dad? Look like where he stood there for a while.
Yeah, although I'm colorblind, I can see that.
All right, sounds good. Well, I've checked it, so we should be good to launch. I'm gonna.
So y'all ready for some Vincent tonight?
I hope we can find it. I hope we can find it.
I'm Andy Marshall.
Hi, I'm Kay Thomas.
This
I'm
is my
her
wife.
mother.
Oh, okay.
And this is
Andy
my sister.
Marshall.
This is my
I think I
sister-in-law.
know who you are.
You think you do?
I do. Did you graduate from Dale County?
I sure did.
All right. I seen some of your videos. You video where Miss Priscilla McKnight lives. Their little
That was my son's video. Yeah, their little shack.
yeah,
Yep.
their little thing. I seen a video. Yeah. And then you video Hutto's grave, John
Yeah,
Hutto's
yeah.
grave.
He did that.
Yeah.
He's
Yeah.
the one that flew.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in the. So
Okay.
did you graduate from Dale County?
We did.
Both of you?
Mm-hmm.
What?
75.
I'm much older than you.
78.
Oh, I'm really much older than you. I was in the first graduating class of 63.
63.
Yep. Yep.
Okay.
And my wife, who was Glenda Woodall, graduated in 64. She's one of the heating and cooling.
Yes.
Woodall.
The Woodalls.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. So where did you grow up
Well,
that took you
our
to
daddy
Dale
was
County?
military,
Oh,
and
okay.
he came back from Vietnam, and in '69 we settled in Newton.
Mm-hmm.
And so I already, back then, Dale County went from the 7th grade to the 12th grade.
Mm-hmm.
So I had just gone into the 7th grade, and so I
So you
started
got all
there.
your last 6 years
Yeah,
there.
Yeah, I did.
Very good.
And so I knew some Marshalls, I knew some Stinsons, I knew some, let's see, gosh, you know, all that old name from around that area.
Right. What?
McKnights.
Yeah. What Marshalls did you know? Sally, Joni?
I knew Sally and Joni. Joni was a little bit older than me, I think, and then Sally was older than her, I think, is the way that went.
And those are daughters of my brother.
Oh, is that
Yeah.
right?
Taking off.
Yes, I'm in enhanced warning zone.
Home point updated. Check map to confirm.
Yeah, I found a deer, and it's tucked up under something, and you kind of hope it's just laying there dead. But, unfortunately, I can see. Well, this one, you know, it may not be the one we're looking for at all. It's just the first one I found. I don't know as much as I want for this morning.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, it's a doe, and she's very much alive. Very much alive.
Sensor.
And then there's probably another one right there.
I never saw him. And I walked up there and ran into some briars and had to
Yeah.
turn. And when I turned, it took a
Another
step
doe there
forward.
bedded. Okay. All right. So let's mark them, so at least we kind of. I'm only a few minutes into my first battery, so we got plenty of searching. It'll be fun. We'll find him. I hope so. Either if we don't find him, then he's out of the county. You know. If he went and laid down somewhere, we'll find him. That's why I'm trying to mark the deer I find. Most of them will be laid down this time of day. Yeah, All American Adventures. What in the world is that stuff? That's somebody's house. Somebody's steel or something. Look at there. Oh, could it be some moonshine?
Oh my goodness, and look at that eye.
And, you know, look, leaves blocking. What in the world is that running? What that is? Oh, it's a million turkey. Boy. Look at them all. Look at them. They're just all going crazy, all fanned out. Yeah. You see?
That's up there on the farm.
See them all.
Oh, my goodness.
Right? See them all running?
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So that shows how if there's something in there floating, you'll see it. You can see it in the water. That's just like some kind of a jelly blob. You've seen those jelly blobs you find in the ponds and lakes? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Looks like some antlers. Definitely some antlers right there. See them antlers?
Yeah, look at that.
Is that the deer?
That may be it.
But it's standing up.
No, that was sitting down. He's alive and alert. So he had just moved his head. That's a 8.21. Yeah.
You found it.
Oh yeah, he's alert and laying down. He's alive.
And he's by himself.
Yeah, by
And
himself.
so he would be
So
across the pond.
yeah, he's a pretty good way. He's way back, kind of all the way down at the head of the. Let me yeah, okay.
Where was he at? Oh, okay, go come on.
So there's where he's sitting. Let me just fly over him and pin him real quick.
And he's not really moving. He's just, I mean.
Okay. So that's exactly where he's at. Right.
He's
Just chilling out. Let's see if I can get low. See how low I can get.
Sort of like an open area right there.
Awesome. You zoomed all the way in, you can see his antlers, and he's looking around like this.
Area right there.
Zoomed all the way in, you can see his antlers.
Yep.
He's looking
See
around.
his face? There's his face.
Can
you see him?
Nice buck.
Yep. See his antlers are coming out like this.
You see him right there?
Nope, that's not the deer. That's not the deer? Nope. This was a basket rat.
Like this and like that.
Nope, that's not the deer.
That's not the deer?
This was
Okay.
this was a basket rat.
Forward rack. Oh.
Right.
Ooh, that is a nice buck. Ooh.
I come home to my honeybee
Bobby,
nest and everything, and I
Bobby.
just threw
This
the
one's
back
curving.
Where's that one at? Pretty close to the other one. Nope.
Where the airport. There used to be a dirt road that went from 95 over.
And this is exciting, right? It's like, now you know why I love it. This is an adventure. You never know what you're gonna find. What are you gonna find? What are you gonna find? Yeah.
They started really having longer. We went out to flew for this year. I think we had 34 kids. All the manufacturers donated stuff. Every kid got pretty valuable.
He's right there.
They're doing a lot.
Yeah. I can't tell. I don't know which one. I think he's looking that way. Yeah.
Is he laying down?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, most of
If
them
it
are.
was any logging, I swear that was the loggers, because they knew all the logging roads and all what was going on.
One, two.
Bobby.
Okay. No, doesn't look like it. Okay.
Lay it down.
Yeah. He's laying down and chill out. No, that's not you. We're having a blast. We're having a blast.
Return to home.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. This is All American Adventures, where Dad and I get to hang out. This time, we were looking for a deer, and unfortunately, we didn't find him. So, see you next time.